everybody, it's me, Candy, from Coffee with Candy. I just wanted to give a little shout out to all of you. Thank you for your love and support. I'm here. I got my cells today, my stem cells back yesterday and the day before. I got high dose chemotherapy, so that today I get my cells and they'll graft in after all the bad cells are taken out. So that's what I'm doing today. Everybody that's coming to the room says it smells like creamed corn. I don't smell it at all. I really thought that I would smell it, but I don't. And I don't feel bad right now. Like they said that I get pukey and use the bathroom a lot. Probably more closer to day 5 through 8 is what they're looking at. But when my numbers go down to 0. But as of right now, everything's okay. I'm just tired. And all I'm doing is like crocheting and reading and listening to music. And I've got a beautiful view from my hospital room. So I'm not bored. I got stuff to do. I can watch the cars go by and the trains go by and the planes go by. It's really nice. And then there's construction going on over there. So I can watch out the window for the construction. But that's what I'm doing right now is this whole process of the bone marrow transplant. It's actually gone pretty well. So far, and hopefully I keep my attitude positive, keep the positive vibe going, keep the prayers going, and I'll get through this. I'll get on the other side of this and go back home. So I miss my fellas a lot. It's been amazing how many friends and family have helped and supported me through this and visited, and I appreciate every little bit of it. Thank you so much. But you guys have a great day. If you want, you can comment or like and let me know what you think about everything, and if you've had a stem cell transplant, or if you have multiple myeloma, or if you have anything to talk about whatsoever, I'll be here. Well, you have a great day. Keep your coffee cup handy. Coffee with Candy. I'll see you later. Bye.